Here I have Dongfeng Box, and let me show you how to enable and use intelligent speed limit assist. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Here let's enable the car icon, and from the following view, let's choose the driving assist. This is the fifth tab from the left, and here you've got the intelligent recognition features, and the first one is intelligent speed limit assist. It's a great way to avoid tickets. The car detects speed limit signs and shows them on your dashboard. You can set it to give you an optical and acoustic alarm if you go over the limit, keeping you safe and legal. So let me do it. Let me enable this feature, and as you can see, this sign pops up right here. Let me do it again. No sign and the sign. So it means that you are using the intelligent speed limit assist. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.